In this video, we will see an example on phasor integral and phasor derivatives. Question: solve for v of t. Here we have to solve this and find the value of v of t. So first of all, what we will do? We will copy this given part and paste it here in the solution. Now here we can see it is given in time domain format. So what we will do, we will convert this into its equivalent phasor domain format, or we can say frequency domain format. So let's convert it. So this will be 2 v. Now here it is the derivative, so it will be into j omega. Then plus 5 into magnitude of v, that is capital V. Then plus 10. Now this will be v divided by j omega is equal to, now here again it is given in time domain format, so this will be 50 at an angle minus 30 degree. From here we can see that this 5 is the omega, that is angular frequency. So here we can write, since omega is equal to 5 radian per second, so if we substitute it here, then the expression will be like this. Now this will be 2 into 5. So this will be 10 v. We will write this j first. So it will be 10 j 10 v. Then plus 5 v. Then plus, now here this is 1 by j. Now 1 by j means it is minus j. So here we can put minus j, and in place of this omega this will be 5. So 10 divided by 5, this will be 2. This v as it is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree. Now we will solve this. So here we can see this is the real part, so 5v as it is, and now this imaginary part 10v minus 2v. So this will be plus j 8v. It is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree. 5v, and this will be j 8v. So here also we can see that we can take this v common. So v in bracket 5 plus j 8, it is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree. Now here on this left hand side it is in rectangular form, and on this right hand side it is in polar form. So we will take this on this side. So v is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree divided by 5 plus j 8. We know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form, and multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. So what we will do, we will convert this denominator part into its equivalent polar form. So this will be v is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree divided by, now this will be under root of 5 square plus 8 square at an angle tan inverse of 8 by 5. So therefore v is equal to 50 at an angle minus 30 degree divided by under root of 5 square plus 8 square. 5 square plus 8 square, and it is 9.43. So it is 9.43 at an angle tan inverse of 8 by 5. So it is 57.994, that means it is 58. So 58. Now V is equal to 50 divided by 9.43. 50 divided by 9.43. So it is 5.30. 5.30 at an angle. Now this will be minus 30 and this will be minus 58 degree. So therefore V is equal to 5.30 at an angle. Now this will be minus 30 minus 58. So it is minus 88 degree. So this is the value for V and it is in phasor form, phasor domain form, or we can say it is in polar form. But we need the answer in time domain, that is we have to find V of t in time domain. So therefore V of t is equal to 5.30 cos omega t. The value of omega is 5t and plus phi. The value of phi here is minus 88 degree. So this is how we get the answer in time domain format. Don't forget to share to this video. Thanks for watching.